Central Tech is bringing you all the news of construction technology from around the world. The Hadrian X robotic bricklaying arm uses heavy-duty adhesive to build houses at the speed of a high-performance sewing machine, with seamless results, I might add. Get ready to see a real apartment building being assembled like Lego, plus some staples and a hammer, of course. It's truly remarkable. This TR forms and bends strong metal profiles with ease right on site to ensure long-lasting construction. The revolutionary zipper truck eliminates the need for constant tunnel support, allowing workers to build at lightning speeds. Taking 3D technology to a whole new level, builders are now printing homes from natural local materials that adapt to any climate. Like this video if you'd like to try living in environmentally friendly housing. The ability to lift without added costs is easy if you know how to properly use polyurethane foam. Aold is a modular wooden house that can quickly be transported and assembled anywhere in the world. Thanks to a unique hydraulic cylinder design, builders were able to replace a 400 trillionths bridge from the 19th century in just 4 days. The best decision this worker ever made was entrusting the cable laying to an automated horizontal drilling machine. Watch as this bridge-building giant with a 900-ton lifting capacity reduces manual labor to a minimum through automated installation and reinforcement of the massive spaces between piles. New Zealand has technology that allows builders to safely create the perfect roof at ground level before building the house. Brilliant. When it comes to choosing a partner on the construction site, the Bobcat always gets the nod because his professional skills outmatch anything a human can do. To speed up construction and cut costs, savvy builders are turning to plastic foundations known for their unique strength-enhancing geometry. Using vegetated roof mats, roofers can successfully insulate a house, reducing heat loss in winter and lowering indoor temperatures in summer. And the aesthetics. Simply stunning. In Venice, a footbridge proves that 3D printing technology can do more with less by eliminating the need for steel or mortar reinforcement. The innovative Hydrotech system provides geotextiles for creating porous concrete surfaces that regulate fluid and prevent erosion. No need for heavy equipment to install a dock anymore. These lightweight aluminum blocks from Canada Docks make it a breeze. Nowadays, construction workers can work from home because they can control and maneuver machines from anywhere using CAT command technology. With a hefty 240 kilograms lifting capacity, this mini crane arrives in a standard trailer, can easily fit through regular doorways, and excels at state-of-the-art wall construction. A technological marvel. Exoskeletons turn workers into super-efficient terminators, effectively doubling their capacity without back strain. Thanks to the advent of concrete sheet rolls, workers have an eco-friendly alternative to traditional canal lining, achieving an impressive 400 SQ-meter output in an hour. A unique design allows box culverts to not only withstand soil loads, but also skillfully control water flows, ensuring stability for every project. Introducing the Fill system, which allows workers to put together huge plastic stormwater infiltration channels in a single day. Whether it's a party, a greenhouse, a store, or an outdoor movie night, a geodesic tent makes it easy to organize a space to your liking. Suspended over a cliff where modern tools were useless, workers resorted to an ancient method: wooden decking and hand drilling for reinforcement. Now, feast your eyes on the awe-inspiring hanging road. Look at how easily builders are able to put together a multi-ton structure with the splicing system, which offers enhanced strength and flexibility for reinforcement bars. These impressive jacks allowed one developer to put up an entire wall by himself without any risk to himself. And this worker nails the finishing touch perfectly on the first try. Crushers are more synchronized than a Swiss watch. The word impossible isn't even in this worker's vocabulary. To get the job done perfectly, this builder simply turns off gravity. Take a look from the point of view of professionals. Assembling a submarine is an absolute masterpiece. Admittedly, seeing this level of craftsmanship has you thinking of your own dream home, doesn't it? Check out this man's clever trick for perfectly hiding the edge of laminate on the transitions between rooms. Watching this guy will have you using discs in the most original way. It's amazing how these skilled craftsmen manually apply 1,100 kilograms of paint to transform a plane. Even with the full workload, one pro was able to tackle his own backyard to create a huge pool. Watch a week's worth of work disappear in a snap. We know how hypnotizing this silicone application method is. Don't hesitate to hit that replay. Here is the master of floor restoration in action. Sky's painting technique, this spiral staircase now has that missing magic. Satisfaction at its finest. Behold the mesh magic of builders giving rise to the most original wall ever. Just wait and see how the fine workmanship of this bricklayer lives up to expectations. This team's flawless work is smoothness redefined. Here's a question for the daredevils. Working with this fiery beauty, did you forge Thor's hammer? That's all for today, but there's definitely more where that came from. We're very curious, so let us know in the comments which of these genius workers would you like to trade places with for a day. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon.